Hello Sewing Bees! Today I am pleased to introduce you to the Caroline Christmas Stocking Serger pattern. Use your serger to create this elegant heirloom stocking. Techniques covered in the pattern are gathers and ruching, decorative rolled hem, one-step piping, faux piping, and master stitching around curves. There are also a couple of required feet, such as the 5mm piping foot and gathering foot. If you are unsure if your serger can use these feet, just reference your user manual or ask your local dealer. The pattern has 11 pages of graphic instruction, but if you learn best by video, you might consider treating yourself to the add-on video course. This 9-part course includes nearly an hour of high-definition video with lifetime access. Need to see a step again? Just stop, rewind, and play back. Get your Caroline Christmas stocking today, and don't forget to treat yourself to the add-on video course. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye!